Gbegbe, my country people, Jawa don gas. Laila, the Moroccan wife, don't give Juliana deep shock. Ned Nwoko don't remember who Regina Daniel really is. My country people, they say no be small thing they happen. They say no be small gbas they happen between Juliana, Ned Nwoko first daughter, and Laila. God don finally release the spirit of confusion among Regina Daniel's enemy. Laila don let Juliana know say, na my husband house na dey. Madam, go back to your husband house. Start to dey disturb me and my husband, come dey go house. My people, they say not be small thing o. Juliana, Ned Nwoko first daughter, the one where they always dey support the papa, the one where they always dey stand for her father back, they fight Regina Daniels. They tell the whole world say Regina Daniels say na gold she can't dig for her papa house. Hand don't finally meet her. Yes, now we know say Juliana they pretend. Now we know say no be all marriage, no be all couple when they show themselves for social media say that they enjoy their husband house. Really they enjoy. Many of them, my people, they are pretenders that they pass through a lot. When be say if they come out, they will use makeup, they cover their face. You will believe say everything is okay with them. You can't see some of our people can't say, I type for your blessing, I type from you, I type from this. Not be everything we need to type for my country people. Many couples, they are going through a lot. Wives, they are going through a lot. Husband, they are going through a lot. My people, according to Mama Juliana said, he don't talk to Juliana say, this husband when you marry, not be toy. Forget say your papa, they see they support you now sometimes. That doesn't mean say you know what they give your husband respect. My people, what did they say happen between Juliana and her husband shock everybody. They say Juliana, they remember her husband say her father na senator. Say na her father na they send money when they take they live their luxury life when they take they live. Senator Ned Nwoko come and sit down because this update it get as it be. Now we see where you they spend our Nigeria money they put. Yes. So my country people, they say when Juliana and Ned and the husband get issue because of waiting, they say Juliana no they respect her husband. Juliana they look down on her husband because she believes say her father now they provide everything. Any small thing they say na so Juliana will run come up for her husband house. Go back to her, they go to her mama house. Say sometimes the mother will tell her say, the way you take the leave so not be so. They go back to your husband. If you get this kind of husband at your age, this kind of husband when they understand, they support you. Say if for still the husband has today. But your father case was totally different. Your father tried to make sure say she won't be your mother. In fact, even they wish say make she cry. Say na God na save her from your papa hand. My country people, now they say when Mama Juliana can't give Juliana what to say no, this is not this is not the way you're supposed to live with your husband. They say Juliana na person be say you know they like to take advice. We all know that one. There is nothing different between Juliana and the papa. And the papa, they always support Juliana. And Juliana, they always support her father, just like the way she was supporting her father to attack Regina Daniels. They say when Juliana finally go to her father's house, when she can't be uncomfortable in her mother's house, because her mother, they give her what to say, he not support this one. They go back to your husband. Go apologize because now you wrong your husband. They say Juliana refused and go to her father's house. They said Juliana stay reach almost 1 week for her father's house, according to updates. Before Laila come let her tell her say, no, you no go fit stay here again. You they disturb us for our husband house. You don't marry. Everybody don't tell you say bye-bye. They go your husband house. Before Laila come finally tell Juliana make it dey go, my people, they say not be smart, you know. They say Juliana won't call they follow them, they drag like say in na papa wife. Oh. They say na dear Laila for let her know say, no, you know will work. You need to come off for here, can't go back to your husband. They say the thing shock Juliana because he no expect her. Juliana asked Laila, say, according to what you hear, say, why you go tell me make it come off for your father house? Here na her father house. You're not supposed to tell her, say, me she leave. They say Laila can't let her know, say, you must surely go. Because ever since she came, you they like to control everything around this compound. Make una they see the same two people when gather hand together. They always they disturb Regina Daniels. They give Regina Daniels gbas when Regina Daniels take that place. Now, they say Laila said no. Say Juliana must surely come out. They say it caused serious war for that compound. They say every day, Laila and Juliana take they get issue. Say if Juliana want enter kitchen, Laila will say no. She don't get the right to enter there. Say now she dey in charge. Now she dey tell the cook when they cook. See when they want to enter kitchen. See when they want to come out. Say Juliana not get the right to the order anybody around the compound. Say if Juliana want to control anybody, make she they go her husband house. Say she is no longer welcome here. They say many times like that. When we say Laila attack Juliana. From there, they say Juliana can't tell and say, he think say before say na Regina Daniels, na be the issue for the compound. Na Regina Daniels they cause quarrel because he believe say na you take care of her. She don't always they see you as a mother. That was the reason why she was supporting you all this while. Even when she see and say, nah, you wrong, Regina Daniels, she will still support you. But now she see and say, you, Laila, you not be that kind of person. Say person no go fit follow you stay. They say from there, Juliana not come fit bear wetin dey happen for there again. Can't tell her father say she want to come out. They say our grandpapa come see dey see say no. Say Juliana make she never come out. Say Juliana husband go must surely come back, come apologize to Juliana before he go fit carry Juliana come out. They say many times like that when people say Juliana and her husband go get issue. Senator Ned Nwoko will make sure say he order that man to come and apologize to his daughter or to him before Juliana can finally go with her husband. This one, so my people, they say the man can't refuse, say no, he know they apologize. Now he make Juliana perish for her father house like that. Now he make her Laila can finally see her finish. They say the man say he no go apologize. No matter what, he can never apologize for anything. Say na Juliana na iroga. He already explained to Mama Juliana and she understand. The reason why he never explained to Juliana's father, which is Grandpapa Ned Nwoko, now because the man they always they take side of her daughter. They always they support his daughter, Juliana. At the end of the day, he will make him to apologize for what he knew nothing about, for waiting he know nothing, waiting be say na her daughter na even wrong. He will come apologize just for peace to reign because of the family. Say na wetin dey happen, but this one they say the man can't refuse, say he no go apologize. So my country people, now they say Juliana can finally come out because Laila say he no go fit stay for that place. From there, they say na there Ned Nwoko for can't remember Regina Daniels say Regina Daniels not still be like this. Because we know say with the especially Nigeria women, let me say we Nigeria women, we know culture and tradition. Sorry guys to say that too. We know culture and tradition. We dey respect our husband, our sisters-in-law, our brothers-in-law, stepdaughter, stepson. We dey always dey respect them. Because now waiting we meet na be that one. But you now see the way Laila take give Juliana woto as he say she did not. In fact, he treats Juliana as he say not be Ned Nwoko even born Juliana without looking back. That's to show say now Ned Nwoko can't believe say if na Regina Daniels she will accommodate Juliana, advise Juliana Juliana until Juliana dey okay before she go finally go back in peace. But Laila, no, you not give Juliana the space, you not give her the time. Say make Juliana come dey comot. True, Juliana not get choice. She have to leave. Juliana have to leave, my country people. Make una dey see wetin dey happen o. They say na wetin happen between Laila and Juliana and the one called first daughter. Na it be that one. So my people, the thing shock Juliana. She never expected it. According to our people when they speak English, she never expect her. So they say na wetin dey na it be that one o. Anyway, my people, more updates concerning this gist o. Make una tell us for the comment below what una think concerning this matter. If Laila dey right or wrong, make una let us know for the comment below. It is very important. All my subscribers, una do well. My returning subscriber, una do well. Today na your first time when you come across the channel, I beg. Before now go, make una not forget, make una subscribe. Make una hit that bell. Anytime we say another updates like this enter our area, go be the first person to know say another update don't land. I will see you next time. Una bye bye you.